Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix display resolution on Windows 11. There will be several methods. You can use any of it. So you have to basically go forward to the next step if the first step doesn't work. The first basic thing you have to do is you have to go to the search bar and you have to search for display setting. After going into the display setting, you can see display resolution here. You have to recommend it. That means you have to select the recommended on. So if it doesn't work, you have to select another one, then go back to the recommended one and restart your computer. So if this doesn't solve your problem, then you have to search for device manager. Okay, after going into the device manager, there will be many options here. Okay, you can see it's loading right now. Now you can see display adapters is paired this option. Select your display adapters and you have to update this driver and type search automatically for drivers. Then you have to just go for it. Okay, so after that you can do another thing. You can just tap on update driver again. Then next step is browse my computer for drivers and tap on next, or you can tap on the browse option, and if you have any driver you can select that particular one. So I'm gonna tap on the next, select it, then close it. So if this option doesn't work, then you can do one thing at last. You have to uninstall it. So as I don't have problem, I'm not gonna uninstall it. So if you have problem, you have to uninstall it, then you have to install the device. After installing it, you have to search for Windows Update. Okay, after going into the Windows Update settings, you have to scroll down until you find the option advanced option. Go to that option. Now you can see there are many options here. So basically you have to go to the optional updates here. You can see, so there will be obviously a option update for your driver. That means your display driver, as you have already installed it, so there will be a update for it. You have to select it and you have to spread this option until you find. You can see here it is, and you can easily download and install it, and you can restart your computer and hopefully there will be no problem. And still, if you find any problem, you can comment down below. I will try to solve it. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.